Travel van life and photo lovers, welcome to you and to the others too. My name is Vladimir, and you might already know that in 2022 I will leave for a long journey through Europe. And today we talk about photography and what kind of gear will come with me. And most important, why. Let's go. Want to travel, discover and dream? You are a tourist, you are a photographer, and you hike, climb, and you are tired of wearing tons of gear around your shoulders. Let me laugh a little bit. You know, folks, our phones have 100 million pixels, 200, 3, tomorrow 1 billion, 9 billion pixels. I love pixels. Well, I don't believe that we can do everything with our smartphone yet. But hey, the most important thing I ask myself is, will I be able to do the photography I want with this kind of gear? Yes. So let's start with the camera. I'm using an Olympus Em1 Mk2. I'm waiting for the new OM1. Why do I like this camera? It is built like a rock. Yes, that's it. I will put in the description a crash test on a weather sealing test of this camera, and you will see you can shoot while it's snowing, you can shoot while it's raining, you can do mostly everything with this camera. It's built like a rock, believe me, I did it. The second point is an incredible IBIS, probably the best on the market. We have more than 150 lenses to choose for this system. This system is not dead yet, believe me. There are so many features packed in this system, all the bracketings, all the stackings you need. And one feature I'm waiting for, the live ND, because I do a lot of long exposures like that. For the video, we have that kind of screen. I like it that very much. It works on 4K 30p. Honestly, it's not Panasonic. Panasonic is really good on video. But I heard that the new OM1 is much better, so I have to wait. Are you saying that's the perfect camera? No, because the perfect camera does not exist. And I will tell you about the cons of this one later on. When we talk about lightweight, we must talk about the lenses. And look at these three lenses. Panasonic 818, Olympus 1240, Panasonic 35-100. All of them f2.8, and all together that's 1 kilogram. Yes. And if you don't believe that the picture quality is really high, check my website. You will be surprised. Some still say that we cannot do any professional work with this camera. Hey, we can. And I recently received an international award for this picture. Oh, by the way, it was one of my hardest photographic experiences to be there and to work there. And if you are interested in to see the whole series of Auschwitz, check my website, mylittledetour.com. As I told you, I really like long exposures. For that, I use NIZI filters. They are not cheap, but hey, they are good. Hey, when we talk about long exposure, we usually talk about tripods. I have 3 of them. The Manfrotto B3, which is filming me right now. But for the long exposures, it was not that good. So I bought a Gizzo GT 2542. Really expensive, but I don't miss any long exposure anymore. I can put it on the water everywhere it works. And for the vlog, I have the small Joby 3K Pro, which is really nice when you want to carry all around and so on. That's cool. For the video, of course, I'm using the Olympus, but mostly the small DJI Pocket 2, which is working right now. It is such a great small camera. 4K 60p, a small gimbal, lightweight. What I like. The bags. The bags. Oh no, the bags. The bags. Of course, we all have problems to choose the bags. This one is too small. Too big. Really too small. I have 4 of them, but the one I use the most is the Mindshift 26 liters backlight. It is really great. You can see I have plenty of space for my camera, 3 lenses. Here I put the drone, a DJI Mavic 2, the filters, and a lot of space here for the recording, for the Pocket 2 and so on. I like this, very comfortable. Hey folks, does he have the perfect camera? Of course it's not the perfect camera. Oh no, it is not. As the sensor is smaller, we have more noise than a full frame camera. The dynamic range is not that good. Tracking autofocus also is not that good, but I heard that the OM1, the new OM1 is much better. But hey, we must all have some compromise to do, because the perfect camera does not exist. Sorry for that. Folks, I'm not here to open a war, full frame, micro four frame, oh, I don't know why. I don't care about that. That gear works for me, and that's all. And I just wanted to present to you the gear that will come with me all around Europe. So, what do you think? You like that? You like another format? Why? Why did you switch from one to the other? Let's talk about it. See you, bye.
Want to travel, discover, and dream?